new technologies come along. Currently, we're talking a lot about ChatGPT, AI, machine learning. And of course, they can play an important role in Agile portfolio management. In two ways. First, in the Agile portfolio management tools themselves, by calculating through scenarios, even going beyond that you're not talking about 10 scenarios, but that lets the ML or the AI come up with the better scenarios based on the data that you have. But more important, I think, is that AI and ML are easy to be used in experimentations in the sprints. Because an Agile portfolio management, it talks about assumptions. Your Agile portfolio creates hypotheses that you say, well, if we do this, we expect these kinds of outcomes. And you need to test them. And you do this with prototypes, you do this with experiments. And AI and ML are perfect tools to do and run these experiments fast. So in that sense, it does make sense to look at it depending on your environment, but use these new powerful innovation technologies to increase your experimentation, because the faster you learn, the earlier you will deliver the results you intend.